but the distance grows, a fragile stream that never slows. I chase the clouds, I chase the sea, but still